Hello guys. This is not a video but tutorial all about my custom work. This is just an introduction. So after so many videos that I've made, I forgot to introduce myself to you. So basically, my name is Ilman, but everybody who already knows me call me Mr. Alice. Yes, you can call me Mr. Alice. I have built Gunpla since 2011. Yeah, about 10 years ago. Basically, in my channel, I just want to share about all tips and tutorial regarding to Gunpla and maybe some of my customer. Maybe by this way I can inspire you so you can improve your Gunpla. If you feel my channel can help you to improve your Gunpla, feel free to subscribe. So that's all about my channel. Salam Alice.